What if I told you that a simple 3-minute morning routine could dramatically reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease? Neuroscientists have discovered that stimulating one specific nerve, your vagus nerve, can activate your brain's own cleaning system and potentially prevent the buildup of toxic proteins that cause this awful disease. Hey there, and welcome back to this series called Vagus Nerve Mastery. I'm here to share some groundbreaking research that's changing what we thought we knew about preventing cognitive decline. You know, when it comes to Alzheimer's disease, prevention is everything. And what we're learning about the vagus nerve's role in brain protection is honestly mind-blowing. Today, I'm going to share a simple routine that could be the most important 3 minutes of your day. So let me start by explaining something that most people don't know. Alzheimer's disease often begins with inflammation in the brain, decades before symptoms can appear. Your vagus nerve, and remember, that's your longest nerve in your body, plays a crucial role in controlling this inflammation. Recent studies have shown that people with stronger vagal tone, that's how well your vagus nerve functions, have significantly lower levels of the inflammatory markers associated with cognitive decline. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your vagus nerve directly communicates with your brain's microglial cells. Think of these as your brain's cleanup crew. When your vagus nerve is working optimally, it keeps those cells in their helpful protective mode. But when vagal tone is poor, these same cells can become destructive, contributing to the protein tangles and plaques that we see in Alzheimer's. There's also some fascinating research showing that vagus nerve stimulation can actually reduce amyloid beta accumulation. That's the toxic protein that builds up in Alzheimer's brains. It's like having a direct line to your brain's maintenance department. Now, here's something that is going to blow your mind. Your brain has its own waste removal system. It's called the glymphatic system. And think of it as your brain's dishwasher, flushing out toxic proteins while you sleep. But here's the key. This system works best when your parasympathetic nervous system, controlled by your vagus nerve, is activated. So poor vagal tone means poor brain detoxification. It's like trying to clean your house with a broken vacuum cleaner. Studies show that people with better vagal tone have more efficient glymphatic clearance. This means their brains are literally better at taking out the rubbish that could lead to cognitive decline. And the beautiful thing is, you can train your vagus nerve to work better. So here's a routine that combines everything we know about vagal stimulation and brain protection. I call it the Neural Shield Protocol, and it takes just 3 minutes every morning. Step one begins with cold activation. Start with 30 seconds of cold water on your face, your wrists, and the back of your neck. If you're feeling really brave, end your shower with 30 seconds of cold water. This activates your vagus nerve and triggers the release of norepinephrine, which is neuroprotective. Step two, breath bridge. Do 3 rounds of box breathing. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, hold for 4. This directly stimulates your vagus nerve and activates your parasympathetic nervous system. Step 3, vocal vibration. Hum your favorite tune or chant for about 30 seconds. The vibrations literally massage your vagus nerve. Ancient practices knew this instinctively, and now we have the science to back it up. Now, why is it best to do this in the morning? Well, your glymphatic system is most active during sleep and continues working in the early morning hours. So, by doing this routine first thing, you're extending and optimizing this natural cleaning cycle. Morning is also when your cortisol levels are naturally highest. And this routine helps balance that stress response and sets your nervous system up for optimal function throughout the day. The research suggests that consistent vagal stimulation can literally reshape your brain structure over time. So why not try this routine for just 1 week? That's 7 3-minute investments in your brain health. Pay attention to how you feel, your energy, your mental clarity, your mood. And here's a bonus tip. If you can do this routine outside in natural light, you'll get the added benefit of circadian rhythm regulation, which further supports your glymphatic system. Are you going to try the Neural Shield protocol? So hit that subscribe button because this vagus nerve mastery series is giving you tools that could literally add healthy years to your life. And please share this with anyone who cares about their brain health.